bird. We're not here to film nature, Jason.
Well,
you've
got a bit at the beginning.
We are here to film this.
What have we got, Dom?
Seriously, I do get asked to review some weird stuff. But, in all seriousness, some of these little things are absolutely fantastic and quite surprising. My only concern is that this is Xiaozhu X-320 Mini does not have an elevator. All it relies on is the thrust from the two propellers. So it will only yaw and pitch up when you with throttle. And the last time I filmed something like this, I did a lot of running around. So, and for that, it felt like it was more of a physical fitness aid than it was a review of an RC model. But I could do with one of these. I've gained a lot of weight over lockdown, haven't I, Jason? So it'd be no bad thing if I am running around. Anyway, we shall try. We'll try anything on Essential RC, just for a giggle.
Worth noting, it's a little bit breezy for this as well.
It is. We haven't got the windsock out, but I reckon it's a good 10 to 15 miles an hour. Where is the wind?
Straight from that corner, I think.
It's from over there?
Yeah.
Right. Here we go.
Well, he got the exercise that he asked for.
As I was saying. Alright, so there's probably a degree of skill.
I think it's pilot error.
Because this is quite an advanced model. They say in the Chinese instructions, and I do speak fluent Cantonese, that if model descend into ground, then angle up fixed elevator at back. So let's do that.
That way.
Straight out?
Yeah, straight out.
When I turn downwind, it's going to go woof. Well, it's gained quite a lot of height. Oh well, it's not bad. Turn the other way. Oh! Right. So maybe it only likes turning left. Not bad. I've had worse results at the beginning with these types of models. Here we go again. So I'm just going to do a left turn. Try and stay a bit lower for you, Jason, to capture some elegant flybys. Turn! Well, it's flown for longer than I thought it would. The turn rate is not spectacular though. You have to reduce the throttle. Oh, that's alright. I'm quite well. That's great. So there's definitely a knack. funny little thing. So there's a definite knack to flying it, and it would be hard for me to communicate what that is, because you kind of launch it and go full throttle, wait for it to climb, and then you go down to half throttle, and if the nose dips and you want to go high, then well, you apply more throttle. It's kind of strange, but your brain kind of gets around the way it flies in a funny type of way. So I think I'm getting a hold of it. One more go, straight out. Thanks. Oh, look at that, straight up. Go a bit further out. And turn. I'm not going to turn right. I just think the wind is not good for it for turning right for some reason. Now the other thing I didn't say about this, that it is apparently amphibious. I don't know what that means, but basically I think you can fly it off water. It's so small and light that you could launch it off water, I guess. It really does need, it doesn't turn very tightly, so don't fly this in a small area. Just and it literally is so light, and it's got that kind of rubber nose on the front. You're not going to break this. So granted, it is at the toy end of the market, joking aside. So but you get everything that you need in the box. You get, well, less the 3 AA batteries you need to put in this, but you get the transmitter, you get the plane, you get a couple of spare propellers, you get the battery, and you get the USB recharge lead for that battery. So you get everything you need for a few dollars. The link's in the video description and in the pinned comment, so look it up. If you want to give a present to the gift of flight to a young child, or an adult that hasn't tried any form of radio control model flying before, then maybe this is it, because you're not going to break it. You're not going to break it, and even if it were to, you know, go into something, it's not going to break, and it's not going to damage anything. So, you know, it is what it is. The X-320 from Jiaozhou, available from Banggood.com. Look it up for the price. And that's it for this Essential RC flight test. Thanks to Jason on camera as ever, and you might want to subscribe for more flight tests. We got some really interesting projects coming up actually. Because of the whole lockdown and the whole COVID thing, there aren't any shows on, and I like keeping busy, so myself, Jason, Carl, James and Al, who are all on the team, are trying to come up with interesting projects that we can do to keep you entertained on the Essential RC YouTube channel. So we're going to do that, some really interesting stuff coming. So please subscribe if you haven't done already, and we'll be uploading on an almost daily basis over the next coming weeks and months. So thanks for watching, see you next time. The turn rate is not spectacular though, you have to reduce the throttle.